Hi, I am your Tally Guru Abhijit Joshi, and this is Skilled Prime User, a unique course designed to train you on the use of Tally Prime. In this video lesson, we will learn how to take a list of the transactions we have entered using the Daybook report. So far, we have entered 8 transactions in the company Gokul Cold Drink House. To view a list of transactions, from Gateway of Tally, we will select Daybook. In this report, we can see only one transaction. This is because the Daybook report displays transactions for a single day. Since the date here is 2nd May, and we have only one transaction entered on this date, it is the only one visible. If we wish to view the list of transactions entered on 2nd April, we will click on the Date button or press the function key F2 on the keyboard. Now in this field, we will type the date 2A. On pressing Enter, Tally will take this date as 2 April. We can now see that the report date is now 2nd April and 4 transactions have been entered on this date. If we want to view transactions not just for a single day, but for a specific period, we can click the button menu of the Date button. Upon clicking the menu, we will see the option period. Note that the function key F2 has an underline beneath it, indicating that its shortcut key is Alt plus F2. It's important to remember this shortcut, as it is frequently needed during work. Now here we can enter the period. In the from, we will type 1A for 1st April. And in the to, we will only type May. On pressing Enter, Tally will automatically consider it as 31st May. Enter. Now we can see the report is from 1st April to 31st May. If we wish to view all the transactions for the current financial year 23-24, we will press the shortcut key Alt F2. For 1st April, we will just type A and press Enter. And for 31st March, we will simply type M and press Enter. Now all the transactions from 1st April 23 to 31st March 24 will appear in the report. If we wish to view all the transactions entered till now, we will click the Date button or press the function key F2 on the keyboard. We will now press spacebar to keep the date blank and press the Enter key. By doing this, we will be able to view all the transaction across the period. If you notice that this Daybook report is sorted on the basis of date, and you can see that 3 transactions had been entered on 1st April. But the first transaction which we entered was this. This is because Tally has sorted this list on the basis of position index of the voucher types. If we wish to view the list of vouchers in the sequence of our entry, the first voucher was of purchase, the next one was of the sales, and then the receipt. So this should be first, then this, and then this. To do so, we will have to click the Configure button or press the function key F12 on the keyboard. The F12 configuration in Tally is a powerful tool that enables users to customize various settings across different screens. It helps configure voucher entry and reports both on screen and while printing. Some configurations done are retained even when we close Tally, and some are temporary. The configuration which we will do right now is temporary. So now we will click on the Configure button or press the function key F12. Here the second last option is Sorting Method. We will select in sequence of entry and press Enter. You can now see that the first voucher we entered was of purchase, then sales, and then receipt. So this report is now sorted in sequence of entry according to the date of vouchers. We will once again click the Configure button or press the function key F12 on the keyboard. A new configuration has been introduced in Tally Prime Release 5. Enable Stripe View. We will set this to Yes and press Enter. The Stripe View feature in Tally Prime enhances data visualization by making reports and vouchers easier to read. When enabled, it applies alternating stripes to rows similar to a zebra pattern, helping users distinguish data more clear. To print any report in Tally Prime, we can click the Print button on the top menu bar and select Current. We can also use the shortcut key Ctrl-P. We will press Escape and come back to the report. And now we will press Ctrl-P. On pressing Ctrl-P, we will get this print form showing the various configurations. Here too, we can see the configuration Enable Stripe view, and this is configured to No. Now to change this, we will click the Configure button. We can now search the configuration here and change it. Since there are a lot of configurations here, we can directly type Stripe. And here is Enable Stripe view. We will now press Enter to make it yes. We will now press Escape twice to come back. Now Enable Stripe view has been set to yes. We will now click the Preview button to view the report on the screen. You can now see that the printed report will also have the Stripe view. We will press Escape key. On clicking the Print button, the report will get printed on the printer. We will now come back to the Gateway of Tally. From Gateway of Tally, we will select the option Display More Reports. And in More Reports, we will select Daybook. The report is similar to the one which we have seen from Gateway of Tally. This has been done to maintain downward compatibility with older version where the Daybook report was not available in the Gateway of Tally. In the next video lesson, we will learn how to alter a voucher so as to make changes to it. He will also learn how to delete vouchers. To view the video lesson, you will have to scan the QR code given on page number 41. Thank you.